In a dense jungle, far from any human civilization, there lived an intelligent orangutan named Orion. He was not like the other orangutans, for he possessed a unique ability to communicate and think deeply. One day, while Orion was wandering through the jungle, he stumbled upon a precious gem. It was shining brightly, emitting a mesmerizing glow. Orion was intrigued and decided to take it. As he carried the gem, he noticed the jungle began to wither and the animals grew anxious. Orion realized that the gem was causing harm. He was faced with a difficult decision: keep the gem and risk further destruction, or return it and save the jungle. Orion pondered for a moment. He remembered the wisdom his mother had passed down to him. The path of a true leader is one that puts the needs of others before his own. With a heavy heart, Orion decided to return the gem. The moment he let it go, the jungle began to heal, and peace returned to the animal kingdom. Orion understood that true power comes not from possession, but from the ability to make selfless choices. From that day forward, Orion became a beacon of wisdom and compassion in the jungle. His story serves as a reminder that we all have the power to make a difference, not by taking, but by giving.